This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Sue? Oh, Sue? I think she's busy. Great! This is my chance! Let's see where she hid the candy. Oh, this one's empty. This one's empty, too. Oh, I know. If I were candy, I'd hide in the biggest box. Is that Clay? I thought there'd be at least one candy bar in there. Whoa. That's not what I meant. You are a very good Clay. Sue? Sue!
Oh, what a mess we've made here. Huh?
Sue, look what I found. It's magic clay.
Magic clay, you say? Yeah, I highly doubt it. What? No way. Sammy, it's glowing.
Yep, told you it was magical. Oh, what's this? Once opened, the clay must be used to make useful crafts before sundown, or it will lose its magic. Oh no, before sundown, that's very soon. What do? We must save the clay.
Don't worry, we'll make it. Now, let's think about what useful crafts we can make.
You're right. It's best to focus on the case, and I already have an idea. Stay put.
Sammy, where are you?
Ta-da! Let's craft chess. I've already made a knight. Hey, wait! I haven't made a king yet.
I think our clay is trying to tell us to pick something easier to make.
Oh.
How about a game of tic-tac-toe? It's simple and fun. Your move, Sammy.
Oh, please! I'm the ultimate tic-tac-toe master. See?
More like an ultimate trickster.
But Sue! Tic-tac-toe is a paper game. How are you gonna make it out of clay?
Wait a bit and you'll see for yourself, Sammy. Now we need to smooth out these edges.
Well, that's easy. I can do it myself. That's it, just a little bit more, and done. Huh? Oh no! Sue, the clay stole my fingerprints. It's gonna use them to frame me. I saw a story like that on TV.
Our clay would never do that. Besides, you left your fingerprints on it yourself, but a wet paintbrush will get them off. Here we go. Sammy, we need to roll out some more clay.
I'm on it. Come on. Come on, roll out already. Gah! Oh, what is this? Now I'm trapped in quick clay?
Quick clay? Like quicksand? I don't think there's such a thing. I think our clay was just trying to pull a prank on you.
This is no time for pranks. Sundown is coming.
Right. Let's not waste another minute then. And these are the stencils we'll use to make the X's and Z's.
No way! I want pentagon-shaped Z's. They look cool.
But zeros look cute.
It's not about cuteness, Susan. It's about who wins.
Whoa! Thank you, Clay. That's a great compromise. Now let's get to the playfield. This is where the grid will be.
Sue, look! I found worm pets. Can we keep them? Can we? Please.
Those aren't worms. They're pieces of our craft. We need to attach them to the playfield to create slots for the X's and Z's. I think it came out pretty good. Let's put it away to dry.
But what about my pet worms? Huh? Is that a pet dragonfly? For me? Thank you, Clay! Yay!
So, the clay has dried. Now it's time to start painting.
Finally! My favorite part! Hey! What is there?
We need to make sure that the paint will stick to our craft. To do this, let's varnish it. Now we can play. I guess I'll start. Here.
Oh? Oh no, I'm gonna
The clay seems to really like you, since it's helping you with its magic. By the way, look! They look just like a puzzle.
That's it! A puzzle! That will be our next craft. Stay tuned.
It's a nice idea, but I need a reference. Be right back.
Sure. Take your time, Susie. Okay, it didn't work last time, but it should work this time. Come on, I need to roll you. Why can't I do this?
That should do. Huh? Sammy? Oh, did you try jumping on clay again?
I was trying to roll it out, but that's literally impossible. What? But how come? Whatever.
I think our clay just decided to prank you, Sammy.
Oh yeah? Well, Clay isn't the only one who can prank here. Gotcha! Hey, why aren't you ticklish?
Thanks for helping round the edges, Sam.
That's not what I wanted to do. But, sure. You're welcome. Oh, my feta. Did you decide to do a cheese puzzle? Ew!
No, I decided to do a puzzle with secret characters. Let's see if you can guess them.
That's a task my alter ego, Detective Samuel Noir, can handle. Bring it in, Sue.
Let me just add a couple of details. There. Any guesses who that is?
Eyes, ears, even the cheeks are there. Yeah, right. I can't be wrong. Belinda de Slamson, the first slime president?
No, it's Sandy, the cute squirrel from the SpongeBob universe. See?
No way.
Okay, Detective, let's try this again. Do you recognize this character?
Pull yourself together, Samuel Noir. You are a detective after all. Oh, I know this guy. It's my cousin Simon from the Middle Tibidaba. Haven't seen you in ages, buddy.
Are you completely sure about this?
Don't be silly. How could I not recognize my own cousin? Hey, Mom, look who stopped by for a visit. Simon!
But Sammy, Simon's been visiting me for the past 3 days.
Who is that? Is he trying to steal my identity?
What? How? Come on. Sue, the clay is pranking me. Again.
Oh, don't get upset. Better try to guess the rest of the characters.
Oh, I think I got it. They're all SpongeBob's friends. We've got Squidward. And Gary. Mr. Krabs. Pearl. Miss Pop. Wow, even Plankton. Cool. And this? Who is this? Hey, guys, any ideas?
This is our most positive, fun yellow character, SpongeBob SquarePants.
It's done! Yay, we can finally play! Oh, wow.
Great. The clay seems to have memorized the correct puzzle position.
So cool! Now we'll never have a problem with assembling. Huh? And yet we still have a problem with cleaning.
Hey, that's an idea. Let's make a brush stand. All right, let's get to it. First, the clay needs to be kneaded well.
Oh, Susan, I knew you'd choose me as your muse. After all, slimes are noted for their rare beauty.
Sorry, Sammy. You really are the perfect muse, but you're no good as a brush stand.
I'm going somewhere where my talents will be appreciated.
Oh, come on. I only meant that the stand needs to be a little more rugged. Here, for example, a flower should do the trick. Let me just curl the petals so nothing spills.
I'm definitely a musical genius.
Boo!
What a scam.
Hey, where are you all going? Are those snakes? I made a big mistake.
And it worked in our favor. This is just what we needed for our craft.
Barely got away from them. Huh? Is it ready? Yay! Let's see how it works. Huh? Hey, why isn't anything happening to our clay? Hey, buddy, come on. You should sparkle. Oh, no. Didn't we make it in time?
Hold on a second. There we go. Our poor clay was just napping.
Phew. Such a relief.
It's just picture perfect. Speaking of pictures, why don't we make a picture frame next? We really should hurry up. Sunset is coming.
Don't worry, Sue. I'll take care of some of the work. Come with me, my best clay friend.
All right. Sounds good to me. And this is where we will insert the photo.
Done! Sue, you can take it.
What, already? Wow, Sammy, your crafting skills never cease to amaze me. All right, I'll try to speed up too.
I can help. What? You're done already?
Yup, we only need to varnish everything.
Oh, those were the days, weren't they? Best friends ring bump?
I've got mine. Oops.
Yeah, these rings are cool, but they need a stand.
We don't have much time at all. Sammy, what kind of...
Sorry, can't help myself.
You know, actually a dinosaur-shaped ring stand is a great idea.
You bet. I'm a genius after all.
Well, did we make it in time? Whoa!
Yay! We did it.
Yes, we did it, Sammy. Magic clay is saved.
What happened?
Not your fault, Lilac. We've been planting all day. Not much magic left.
Welcome aboard the Hummingbird Bus. Your crew today is Gerard, Carlotta, and I'm your captain, Captain Steve. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
I'm so tired. I can't wait to get home to my nice, cozy bed.
What? What? Where are you going? All under control, folks. Just a bird.
Look out, Captain Steve!
Oh no, Captain Steve. The nectar. Not allowed to fly without extra nectar. Health and safety rules.
Please prepare for landing immediately.
So tell me your favorite flower with the most nectar.
How can I choose? There's Daisy, Bluebell, Forget-Me-Not.
Forget-me-not it is.
As I thought, your power is used up for today.
Let's see if we can do it together then. 1, 2, 3.
Nope, afraid not.
Can't fly very far in that.
It's settled then. We'll just have to wait here until we're rescued. Flight crew, you're free to move about the island.
We'll need to get a message back to the others.
No problem. I never leave home without a flower flare. I'll send it up.
Zinnia, did you see that? Flower flare!
I'm on it, Spearmint. Orange and blue, orange and blue. Someone's in trouble. It's coming from Duck Pond. Let's go tell the others.
So that's all the food we have. In a moment, we'll go down to the beach and divide it up fairly. But first, let's look ahead.
Behind you, Thorn.
We mustn't look back, Lilac. What has happened has happened.
She's going to eat our food.
No one is going to eat our food until it's all been divided properly.
Mama Duck, you've eaten all our food. Oh, hello, everyone. That food was yours? Well, I didn't realize. Usually when people leave food by the pond, it's for the ducks. I'm sorry.
Don't worry. Anyone can make a mistake.
That's what I always tell my ducklings. Oh, speaking of the ducklings, I'm late picking them up. And I have to swim to the other side of the pond. Goodbye!
Wait, Mama Duck!
Maybe putting all the food on the beach wasn't the best idea. Never mind, I'm a chef. There must be lots of tasty plants on this island. I'll whip up something in no time. Sound good?
So it has to be them. Only lilybuds have flower flares.
And the hummingbird bus hasn't come back.
Onion, pea, carrot, cauliflower. It's really hard making soup without Chef Thorn. Oh, now I've forgotten. Onion, pea, carrot, turnip.
They must have landed on Sunset Island.
We'll take a search around the pond and let you know if we see anything.
Thanks, guys.
I brought all the vegetables, just in case. Do you think we can rescue Chef Thorne soon? The kitchen's a real mess without him.
Let's get down to Duck Pond and see what we can find out. We've got no food, nowhere to sleep, and I can't be sure anyone saw my flower flare.
Oh, but when they see my picture message, we'll be rescued. This says nectar. Huh? And this big smiley face shows we're really nice people and need rescuing.
A flower and a smiley face. That says happy birthday to me.
I thought you couldn't fly.
Well, we can fly a little bit. We just need a lot of nectar to drive the bus. What do you think, Carlotta?
No, looks like a baby in a rattle. Slow down, nursery ahead. I don't mind what it says as long as someone comes and rescues us.
Come see what I've made! It's a shelter, style and comfort for those cold island nights. But it needs one final touch, a little decoration that says lily buds. Ooh, a duck feather. And this is it.
But how do we know for sure they're on the island? It's too far away to see anyone.
I don't know, but they must be nearby. Huh?
Hello, everyone. I've just seen your friends over on Sunset Island. I'm afraid I ate all their food. Completely by accident, of course. Speaking of food, my ducklings must be hungry. Goodbye.
Thank you, Mama Duck. So, they're on Sunset Island and they're in trouble. How are we going to get them?
I could swim out and get them.
That's nice, Bucky, but there's 4 of them to carry back, plus the hummingbirds.
I could bring them a message of hope.
Oh, hi, Ellery.
Dear friends, what brings you to my humble beach hideaway?
Chef Thorne's marooned on Sunset Island.
Thorn stuck on an island. Does that mean the buttercup is unguarded?
You're right, it is.
How wonderful. Worrying.
4 lilybuds are stranded out there.
Well, then you must borrow my boat and go rescue them.
Wow, you've got a boat?
Of course I do, my boy, and I am happy to lend it to you.
So what do you want in return?
Yeah, you do usually want something.
Me? I want nothing, except the chance to be a good citizen. I'll keep watch on Thorne's food, kitchen, while you rescue your friends.
Huh?
Ta-da!
It's a little, worn. Does it float?
Like a log, only better, because it's a boat. And now I'll be off. We don't want that kitchen left unguarded.
That is so thoughtful of Ellery to think about helping. You know, I'm going to keep him company.
This rope is the answer. The tree's really strong, and the sticks and leaves are all tied down.
Dinner is served. Nice job. I made us a delicious and healthy salad. See, things aren't so bad. We've got shelter, food.
Ugh, so sour.
I'm sorry. It's all I could find.
It's all right, Thorne. At least we still got the shelter.
My picture message is ruined.
Hang on, is that a boat?
Oh, we shouldn't ever trust Ellery.
Is that water coming in?
It's Rose, Cap, and Moss. Their boat is sinking.
I have an idea. Quick, everyone! Let go!
Okay, lilybuds, haul away!
Yeah!
Thank you, Rose. We'll fill up on nectar and be on our way again.
Although we won't be able to take you all at once in the bus. Safety regulations. That's fine. I wouldn't mind seeing the sunset on such a beautiful island.
That's just what I was thinking.
Especially since we brought this.
The food from my kitchen. Oh, joy. It's settled. We stay the night.
Ah! Oh, it's you.
That was such a nice thing you did, saying you'd guard the buttercup.
It's what any chipmunk would do. You hop off to bed, my furry friend, and I'll start guarding the food.
But guess what? There is no food.
What?
Not until I make some more tomorrow anyway. You see, I packed up every bit of food to take in your boat so the lilybuds could have a nice picnic on the island. So we don't have to guard anything. Instead, you and I have the whole night free to chat, get to know each other.